Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the image to video AI generator, that is Luma Dream Machine tutorial. So in order to generate image to AI video, you will have to simply navigate to lumalabs.ai, click on try now button at the top right of the screen and you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to basically click on this small image icon just at the left of the taskbar. Now, when you click on that image icon, it is going to show you this page. So this is your PC's directory. Here, you'll have to basically navigate to the image through which you want to generate an AI video. For example, I will select this image and click on open. Now, when I click on open, I will have the option to select an end frame too. I will click on plus. I can select another picture and click on open. Now, I have these two pictures. This is the starting of my video and this will be the end of the video. Now, you can click on the text area and type a prompt for this video. So whatever video you want to generate, type some text by giving instructions how you want the video. So I will type in, the figure in the starting frame should focus on his hand holding a fire and snapping his finger. Suddenly, the world burns to ashes and a new world forms up like shown in the end frame. So this is the prompt describing how I want the video to turn out. Now, after entering this prompt, I can choose to enhance this prompt by clicking on this button. If I don't want it, I can deselect this. Now, simply click on this small arrow icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, when you click on this arrow icon, it is going to instantly queue your video creation request in the yours creation section. Now, it will take some time to create your video, a minute or 5, and it will show your video creation just right here. So you'll have to wait. Now, lumalabs.ai has generated this video for me. I will click on it. And as you can see, Luma Labs has generated this awesome video for me. Now, I can click on the download button here and this video will instantly get downloaded onto my PC. I can also click on extend button here and prompt Luma Labs AI to extend this generation. So in this section, you'll have to enter what extra things you need and click on the send button. After you click on send, you'll have successfully extended this video. So that was all about the image to video AI generator, that is Luma Dream Machine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.